Jim Farley, the CEO of Ford, has announced that they're planning to change the manufacturing design for their EV cars, and it's never been done before. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Cars are generally made piece after piece in a linear production way, and the engineers working on them have to adjust themselves in tight workspaces in their workstations. But guess what? It won't be the case anymore because Ford has announced a new way of making cars. Farley said, "We build the whole middle, front, and rear separately, and then at the end we put them together. No one's ever built a car that way. Building a car in 3 parts will surely save time and money. Instead of a car being made in line assembly, it will be like a tree assembly where 3 major parts are built separately and then fixed together." Why do you want to build that car that way? Because the operator can build the car inside the car, says Farley. That's not how it works today. You have all these armatures and things to put in like instrument panels. Plus, there's no need for line side parts, right? The parts go in the car as it's being built. Ford is set to spend $2 billion for a new plant named Ford Universal EV Production System at their Louisville assembly plant to make the new EVs. They've claimed that these new EVs will be made 40% faster with 20% less parts required. Not only this, but the midsize truck will be nearly a mile shorter and 10 kilograms lighter. The savings go on. As for the cars that are set to be launched in 2027, they said that they'll be as fast as a Mustang EcoBoost and have more passenger space than the current Toyota RAV4. How exciting is that? We're waiting for new updates on this exciting new adventure on which Ford is embarking on. But this is all for now. What are your thoughts on this brilliant reinvention? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.